Meet the supervisor. He's tired of everything. Sir, attendance not updated. Sir, I'm checking now. Yes, sir. 1 second.
Many months later.
He resigned on a Tuesday. Just like that.
Who approved today's shift?
Where's the absentee report?
Wait, who are you?
I came for Che, stayed to fix your factory.
With PiSence, chaos doesn't stand a chance.
WhatsApp, show me today's attendance.
18 present, 4 absent. Machine 2 is idle again.
Supervisor gone. WhatsApp is the new boss.
Many months later.
Sir, I've thought about it. I'm ready to return.
They didn't hire a new supervisor. They installed one.
We replaced Excel sheets, approval delays, and missing reports with one simple thing. We used to run it with 3 supervisors, 7 Excel sheets, and 1 HR crying every day. Now, it's just WhatsApp. Thanks, PiSence.
Run your entire factory through WhatsApp. Powered by PiSence. Trusted by manufacturers. Message us. I need automation.